So checking for the password. Cache control. There it is. Server. It's a JavaScript query. So this isn't even my freaking router anymore. Like, seriously. It's somebody else's shit. Oh, that's a style. Oh, man. So the if statement, and we're function. Oh, man. It's written in C. It looks like C, at least to me. Hey, that rhymed. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed soon. I said that earlier, and I'm still not in bed. That's because I went and got more beer, and I'm out. Damn it, I need to go get more. I can't. It's too late for that. I go to bed. Fuck. G equals D exec. E equals string. Document get element by ID. So that's probably the, hey, you don't hit the right password statement. Find E. Always function E, ready for E, E selector, and E context. This array mark E, fucking E equals G, go make array, this E push stack function. Yeah, this is not good. This is definitely not good. Just by the way it looks. Because I've been looking at malware for like the past week. And this is fucking malware. I could be wrong. This could be just some freaking fluke of a weird... But this isn't. So this is a main function of the malware right here. Yeah. I really want to take an image of this, and I mean, it's not going to do me any good to put it in Ghidra. I'm getting the same shit. It actually looks a lot better in Burp Suite. But this is JavaScript, right? Or it's, I don't know what kind of code. It looks like C, and I don't know. I could probably just look it up. I'm just tired. No, Derf. No. I've had enough help. This is doing a lot of shit, and parent, like, yeah. It's doing a lot of stuff. This little ass, where is it? This fucking thing does not take, I mean, let's play around with it, I guess. Yeah, it's Java. Okay, well, I'm not very good at reading Java. It looks like sloppy C to me, and I can't freaking... It looks the same. I mean, once you know them, you know them all.
It's HTML. I'm an idiot.
But the math and shit is getting confusing, because I don't know the concatenation symbols and the... You know, is it object-oriented, or is it, I don't... Flag array. Get default flag array. Flag? Sounds like a contest. Set flag. So they're flagging something. Modify IDX bit to string to bit. So we're transferring something out of memory and putting it into a freaking string back to a bit. So I'm guessing this is an encryption thing. We're gonna turn a number into something to pass it along to the server so it can verify it and send it back. Opera test browser name. So we're getting the browser name here. Firefox iTest browser name. Okay, so Chrome iTest browser name. WebKit iTest browser. So we're getting the, yeah. But why comment code? Vary object, new object pass, select page. Object Firefox version. But that's in comments, so why comment out your code? Huh. That's kind of weird. Huh. I don't know. So we're selecting a browser, we're figuring out the browser. I want the fucking password compare string or whatever the hell. Is it? Array value match. That's kind of looking like what I was just looking for. No. Maybe we should... No. That kid... No. I'm freaking tired. No. Dude, you're just looking at everything. Parameter, array value, unescape, unescape parameter. I don't know what that means. Fuck. Input type hidden. So we've got a hidden input type. My input is hidden here. That's probably because we're obfuscating the password when you type it in. So we're comparing to username and password probably right here. Yeah. Append child temp input. Yep. Temp in. Yep. That's it. It's an obfuscation thing. Your browser does not support whatever that fucking means. XLM, XML, HTTP, private property key string, base 64 encode. So there's our. So it's going to be numbers and letters. If my input equals this string, return input. The output. See, this is what fucks me up. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so we're encoding it from UTF to base 64 for my input.
I'm gonna guess it's characterized 3 times and encoded 4
While
times.
we're still good, so 0, while we're returning 0, the input length, char code A+, fuck, man. Now I gotta figure out what this crap goes to. Because this is the key right here, I think. And here, this is where we're gonna figure it out. But I'm not that good yet. I need to go back and do some stuff. Because I should be able to do this in my head, and I can't. Like, I should just be able to be like, hey, your password is fucking ABCD, fucking you fucked your girlfriend last night and forgot to take a piss. That's what happened. Yeah, whatever. I'm really tired. Anyways, we're on to the next one. My session. So here we go. This is the bad part. Like, here we are. I mean, they're disguised to look like, oh, I'm logging into my innocent router. But no, this is not. This is on all the time. Max age, whatever that. Date, 2020. See, it's the same time. Like, it's on. My session function. Okay, so var x equals x. And we've got the number variable, so the preferences is memory limit is 2000. So we're going to auto flush everything. Cross domain. Include. I don't remember what that means. We're going to include, but we're not doing any of this stuff, so it doesn't matter. But we're going to auto flush after the memory limit of 2000. So we could probably buffer overflow this thing. That's what it is. It's a buffer overflow. Sounds like. Maybe not. Parent clear memory function for the variable in I. No, we're in X. In this parent, if I is equal to this fucking thing. Can I just like, damn it. Fuck it, I don't know. I can't do it like in Geeter. I can just be like, hey, that symbol, what the hell does it mean? And you click on it and you do this thing, and it shows you what it means. Getting lazy. Gotta actually remember how to read shit again. Return math. Round this. Flush. A fucking gig. Is that what we're talking about here? 1024, so we're talking about a number. And we've got 2000, the memory limit. So I'm guessing we're flushing our buffer. So we're making sure it doesn't overflow. So we've got a use memory percent function, return math round, use this mem limit. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're limiting our memory. So flush function x, we're gonna run this again, and then we're gonna. Why are we doing the O in this? I don't know. So we're gonna say, well, I don't know what this symbol means, so we're gonna have to figure that out. O equals fucking empty space. J equals this. Lots of money. And for x equals x, we're going to top for the var and I in this parent. So OI equals this parent. So we're making a parent process and flushing the buffer every time we hit the password wrong. So we're flushing out stuff. I don't know. Get domain. So we're going to go function var location here of, oh, yep. We've got 3 dashes join this dash. So we've got a domain joining into our domain. So there's a domain controller above that, and which is that HTTP fucking and whatever the fuck site that's a virus. So we're going to flush all that crap after we get done with this, and we're going to debug this function like I'm doing right now. And then we're going to variable t equals t, this a arguments calls the document body set timeout function. So if you don't call that thing, it's going to time out in 200 milliseconds or some shit. Set timeout function. Okay, so we're timing out something where we're going to flush the memory again, and then we're going to document is get element by the session vars debug div. So that's a clue. Session variables. We're going to debug the div. What's the div? Damn it. I don't remember what divs are. The document, div, document body, maybe it's a div. Fuck. It's something that I know what it is, but I just can't fucking get it off the top of my head. So, we've got some, wait a minute, so that's stored, I'm thinking, and then we've got some inner HTML, div style, line height. Oh, we're fucking doing something here. Div, where that's a dimension or some shit, or fucking, something. So we're making something here. We're making a picture, a border. Yeah, we're making a box. And I'm thinking this is the input box. So top name split join. One click. Oh, this is the button to say I'm done typing in my password. Click. So the fuckity fuck, we're gonna add an event listener. We're gonna load f false. So else if window attach event, window attach event unload. What is it? None load. 0 none load. So like a fucking null byte or something. This permanent auto flush false. So this is like if we get the password right, we're gonna join in with something. I mean. Restore code this way for the object of true. Are we in the right website? My session, yeah. Let's start from the bottom. Oh, we're almost to the bottom. Oh, we are at the bottom. I'm getting tired of reading this one. Nothing there. Okay, so we're in the other one, the navigation plan. Topic. Images, repeat. There's nothing here either. Broadband settings. Oh, this is actually the inside page. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you see we're starting a timer. So if you don't type anything, you get kicked out. Well, at least they commented a lot on what this does. See? I'm kind of right. This guy fucking, like, let me figure it out on one, and then it's just like, hey, look, I'm going to show you what everything does. I mean, he made his code easier to read. PTM settings, broadband settings, DHCP settings. This is all the. This is the admin settings, like where you go into the advanced ones, but the only settings you can actually do. Remote GUI, remote break, yep. Okay. But increase the counter, what does that mean? Why would you do that? Start the timer, initialize the counter, de-arm ready watcher, domain, ID, window, you're all 2. ID, toolbar, scroll bar. Okay, so we're selecting stuff. Alright, this is fucking going away. Pop up. This is gonna say something stupid. This is gonna be like, yeah, you gotta go back. You didn't type in the right shit. CenturyLink modem configuration. Help main. See, why does it have the header of this? Why is that there? See, I'll show you something too. Like, I don't like this. This is the source code of the site, like the HTML code and all that stuff. Doing mode configuration, blah blah blah. So there's no password shit here. We've already broken into it. We can just open that up and we'll just reload that. It might not connect because the session key won't be right, but we can just. I showed you the session key earlier. We can just in there and figure that out real quick. It's not that hard. Oh, here we go. If address is return false. Uh-oh. I think we found her. But that's an if statement, so return false. Return what? Or does it return true? Or 0? Set subnet. Oh, shit. Yeah. See, it's not listening to me. It's just doing what it wants. It's like, it doesn't give a shit. Yeah. Like, I try and load my own. See? Like, that's not good. Like, that address, that's a wild card, you know? A router should not be doing that. That's fucking very, very bad. Uh-oh. What? Whoopsie! I mean, this is getting more and more suspicious, isn't it? I mean, when we're a professional engineer, we don't use words like hack or that Or we don't do this either. We don't hide characters and stuff. And then we don't hide them again before we count them. And then we just short circuit the loop and exit, right? Like we crash it and then we exit. Okay. And then we just this is a loop right there, and we're gonna do that a couple of times. So it sounds like a buffer overflow kind of thing here. So we're not actually saving shit. We're shorting out the fucking router a little bit so we don't save anything into memory, right? I don't know. Mm-hmm. Oh look, man, these are. We don't comment shit like I hate it when people do that. You just don't do that. I mean, it just makes it look like you wrote a piece of malware, obviously. I mean, you haven't set up one different address for an if statement for oops IP check. Oh. I mean, they could have set up the namespaces to where false means true and true means false and all that. I mean, it's not that difficult to do if you figure it out. If you actually wrote the shit from scratch. Oh man, I need to go to bed. Nope, can't use HTTP. We could try. Reset, go back now. I'm gonna pick a payload. Payload's that one. Shit. I don't get to do that one.